Guys, my name is Chamaka. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to edit with Kinemaster. And if you want to know how you can actually get your Kinemaster without watermark, just let me know on the comment section and I'll also make the video. This video is a request, okay? It's a request video, so I just want to show you guys how you can edit with your Kinemaster the easiest way, simpler way you can actually edit with your Kinemaster. So I'll be going on my phone now to show you guys how you can actually edit with Kinemaster on your phone. So sit back and relax, and if you don't understand anything about this video, just drop your comment on the comment section. I will answer you, and I will also make another video, maybe if it requires to make another video to show you what I'm trying to say. So I just hope I'll make it easy and simple for you guys to understand. So let's get straight into the video. So I'm going to be recording my screen to explain. So see you on my phone screen. So now we are going to come on Kinemaster. If you look around, you see some other videos I've been editing with this Kinemaster. So you come here, then you choose this one, 16:9, this one. Yeah, I always want it to be like this. So when you choose this one, then you come here, you come to camera. If the video you want to edit is in your camera, if not, you can also go, you can also keep going like this to make choices to choose the video you want. But here my video is in camera, so I'm going to come here. Then these are the videos that I made before. No, close. These are the videos that I made before, so I'm going to choose from here to edit. Maybe I will start with some other videos, maybe the first or second. I'll go with the first and second because I made some mistakes. So let's try to correct the mistake with Kinemaster. So I'll choose this one and I'll choose this one. Then I'll say okay. I'll click here and say okay. So here, let's hear what I said here. Hi guys, in today's video is a recommended, so I'll make it, and I choose to also share it because I know that so you see this part, this first one, my mic wasn't on and I was making the video. So when I realized that my mic wasn't on, I decided to end the video and make another one, which is this one. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Amaka. In today's video, so here I'm goofing around. So let's say I want to edit with this one. Let's assume that my mic is on the first one. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Amaka. In today's video is a recommended video, so I'll make it, and I choose to also share it because I know that. So I want to remove this part where I realized that the mic wasn't working. So I'm going to do this. And I choose to also share it because I know that. This is where I noticed. So before the notice, I'm going to click on the video. Then I'm going to go to the scissors. Then I'm going to cut it into two. But for the fact that I won't be needing this part, so I'm going to go to this trim to right of playhead. I'm going to click on that one. So you see, it will cut and remove the parts that I don't want. So let's assume you want to put transitioning to your videos. So you go to here, you click on this place, then you come here, you choose the one you like. From my videos, I always like to use this one. Yeah, I like this transition. So this is how you put your transition effects. And let's assume that I have something I want to show, maybe document or something I want to bring, or video, or another video I want to bring in while this video is playing. So I'm going to go to this place, go to this layer, click on media, then I'll import the video or picture or anything. Let's say I want to bring this mic picture. Okay, then I'm going to put it the size that I want. If I want it to, if I want any effect on it, I'm going to go here. If I want anything, I will choose. I want it to do this, I will choose. This is how you can import another video or another stuff on your video. When you don't need it, you come to delete and you delete it. Then let's assume I want to change my voice. You come to volume. You can increase your volume here if you feel the volume is not loud enough. You can put auto volume after increasing it, and you can put pitch. If you put pitch, it's going to give some more effect on the volume, or on your voice either, rather. Oh, English hard, my dear. All right, you continue. You come here, you do okay. Then on this other one, let's play what we've done so far. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Amaka. In today's video is a recommended video, so I'll be making it, and I choose to also. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Amaka. In today's video, so let's assume I want to bring this part that I goofed a little bit. I want to bring it to the front. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on this and allow it to play to the part. My name is Amaka. In today's video, then here, when I started goofing, I'm going to go to here, this place. Okay, this place. I think this is where I realized that I want to goof. So I'm going to click on the video. Then I'm going to go on the scissors. Instead of cutting the trim to right of the playhead, I'm going to go to split at playhead. So when I split at playhead, I'm going to touch this one that, okay, I'm going to click on the side. See, the yellow stuff has gone off. When I click, when you have this yellow stuff, is just a sign that you should do anything you want to do to this video. Either you want to put slide, or you want to put effect, or you want to you want to make amend on this video. You understand? And that's the essence. You just, with this little basics of this thing, you can just play with it. Okay, let's assume I want this video to play, and when it gets to this one, this particular side, I want it to zoom out. I want it to zoom out. Let me do something around it. Let me show you guys. So you can come here, this pan and zoom. You can come here, then I can pinch and bring it closer, set it. You see what it's doing to this particular spot. Then the ending part, I can zoom it, maybe get it this way, or I will get it this way. You understand? So to have this effect when it's ending. So let's play it and see what we've done. I'm trying to be careful so I don't cancel this. Okay, let's see. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Amaka. In today's video is a recommended video, so I'll be making it, and I choose to also. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Amaka. In today's video, you see, do you guys notice the effect? Okay, see from here. In today's video, you see that little move That's what that thing can do for you. So if I want to bring this goofed part to the front, I'll simply drag it and keep it to the front. So Kinemaster is one of the simplest when it comes to editing with your phone. So you see, I've dragged it. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Amaka. In today's video is a recommended video, so I'll be making it, and I choose to also. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Amaka. In today's video, so you see, let's assume that I want this to be 2. I can duplicate. When I click on here, I come here where we have the dot. Duplicate to as layer. No, if I want it to be same on this lane as this one, I can duplicate it. Now that I've duplicated it, let's assume I want it to also play at the end. I can take it and keep it back, take it back to the end. You understand? So that, let's see. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Amaka. In today's video is a recommended video, so I'll be making it, and I choose to also. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Amaka. In today's video, so yeah, the essence of this is, let's assume you have a very particular interesting part of your video and you want it to play in the beginning. You just want to, put it in front in the beginning of your video just to catch people's attention. You can actually drag it like this and bring it to the front, and then people will want to see where that thing actually happened in the video. So when they watch through, then it will still play wherever you get that particular scene from. So that's the essence of dragging this. So if there is any other question, feel free to ask on the comment section and I will explain. And let's assume you want to do voiceover. Then maybe you want to do voiceover here. And that's that. Then if you want to import music, you click on this audio. Then you go here, you import music. You can download music from any free copyright site. Then you download their music or their song, whichever one, or you have your own original music. Then you can import it from here. So that's the end of this video. I hope you guys understand every bit of it. Until I come your way next time, my name is Chiamaka. Alright guys.